Hi, and welcome to TechData-Academy. This video compares performance and execution time for processing large text data. We test three approaches: Sequential Python, Spark locally, and Spark on Databricks. Same dataset, 300 books from Project Gutenberg. Same task, count words and extract the top 50. Let's begin. Pure Python, sequential execution. The script downloads 300 books, cleans the text, and counts words using counter. It processes books one by one on a single core. No parallelism. Execution time grows linearly. Let's run it. Books are processed one after another in order. Final result: 297 books, 11.9 million words. Execution time: 436 seconds, over 7 minutes. This approach does not scale. Now with Spark, running locally, we parallelize the 300 books across all CPU cores. Each worker processes books independently. Same logic, but executed in parallel. Let's run it. Books are processed in parallel, so results appear out of order. Same final output. Execution time: 49 seconds, about 9 times faster. Now on Databricks. We use Spark data frames and a UDF. No setup needed. Everything is managed and distributed. Same logic, larger scale. Let's run it. Work is distributed across the cluster. Same results. Execution time: 27 seconds, the fastest. Sequential is simple, but slow. Spark adds parallelism. Databricks adds scale. Same task, same result. Huge performance difference. Thanks for watching.